everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi. Today's video is going to be a vlog. It's April 29th, it's 9:28 a.m. and I'm currently at work. I did record some stuff last week, but it's just like montage-y clip type of things, and so I'm just gonna put them in this video. I didn't like actually vlog those days, but I filmed stuff, so I still want to show you guys. A week ago, actually last Thursday, I went to the Parade of Homes here in Bismarck, and if you don't know what that is, it's like where builders showcase their homes and you can like walk through them. If you want to build, if you want to buy them, you can just do that all there. If you don't know, I am looking to buy a house. Obviously, these ones that I went to are like completely out of my budget. Some are like close to $1 million. I don't think any of them went over $1 million, and I think the cheapest one was $299,000, which still, that's like a lot for me, but I liked looking at them. And if one day in the future I do want to build a house, there's two builders that I really liked, so at least I know that now. I was actually like filming stuff to like show my dad because he didn't go with. It was just me and my mom. Yeah, I wanted Easton to go with me, but he had no interest in that. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna force you to walk through 41 houses with me. So I took my mom because she loves looking at stuff like that. But I only filmed my favorite ones, and I was filming them to show my dad because, like I said, he didn't go with. And then at one of the houses, there was this big sign and it's like, no recording. I was like, oops, I already recorded a bunch of these houses. Yeah, I hope I don't get in trouble for showing these, but you can go on like Zillow or realtor.com or whatever and see the inside of these houses anyway, so whatever. So I'm gonna insert all of these here. First house I showed, I loved it. It was a twin home actually, and I think it was $329 or something like that. And for a twin home, that's a lot of money. Like, you could buy an actual house for that price. A lot of them too had like really small bedrooms. Like my bedroom at my parents' house where I live right now is like way bigger than half these bedrooms. Even like the master bedroom and some of these were really small. I did not like that. And a lot of them too didn't have a basement or an upstairs, which down south in Bismarck, it's like by the river, it's a floodplain. So like I understand why those don't have basements, because they'd probably flood. But I don't know why they didn't put like upstairs in them. I don't know, I didn't like that though. I definitely like want an upstairs or in a basement just to like have more different levels to a house. But I really do like the coloring. I love the white and the gray. Easton loves like dark woods, like a cabiny feel, and I like white and like bright things. So when we do buy a house together, it's gonna be interesting to see what we actually like pick out. And then the very last house that I showed, I actually like a lot. Very similar to my parents' house, and I really liked that. It's just kind of like a modern, updated like take on it, which is cool. And then my other favorite house, and it was the first one I went to on Saturday. We went Thursday and Saturday. The whole thing was Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The kitchen was beautiful. The upstairs was great. The basement was great. Oh, it was so pretty. But yeah, obviously those houses are all way out of my price range. I could never afford them. Not right now anyway. But it was a really fun experience. And then Sunday it like snowed out all day. So then I went to Easton's house and we just chilled and watched movies. And then Monday I was supposed to have the day off, and I had a massage, and then I had a pedicure appointment in the afternoon. And Danita's little baby has a fever, and so she can go to daycare. And so I went to my massage. I've been having really bad headaches, and so I'm hoping that that massage will really cure my headaches. Otherwise, I don't know. I've been looking into like getting Botox for headaches, because I have like a constant headache, and it's like the back of my head just constantly hurts, and then sometimes it like goes into my eyes. And they thought it was like a sinus infection for a long time, but I feel like a sinus infection doesn't like stay with me every single day for like a long time. So I don't know what's wrong with me. So then I didn't get my pedicure, which I don't really care about anyway. It's not the end of the world. And then I came to work, and then Tuesday I worked all day, Wednesday I worked all day, and today I was supposed to get off at noon, but I'm working all day again today because Evelyn still has a fever, which is so sad. It's so sad when little babies are sick. So yeah, it's 9:35 now. That took a decent amount of time. I know there's a lot of online orders. We had a jean sale yesterday at work, and so I'm gonna go inside and start getting these orders ready. So I will probably see you guys on my break. I think me and Easton are going out to dinner tonight. I always say I'm gonna show it, and then I always forget and never do. So we'll see what ends up happening. I look a little rough, but I'm here to end this video. I ended up not ever finishing this, as I noticed now that I'm editing. I don't think me and Easton even ended up going out to eat. I'm pretty sure I had like Panera for lunch, and I was full, and I ended up not going. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. If you like to see the inside of houses here, definitely let me know. Once I get more into like the house hunting, or if I go the building route, whatever route I go, I'm definitely going to be making more videos. And if I go to creative homes in the future, I probably will sneakily record again. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.